Today we will discuss about the ribosomes, learning outcomes of ribosomes, introduction and discovery, location, structure and composition, and function of ribosomes. Let's start with an introduction and discovery of ribosomes. Ribosomes are the very tiny structures, very small in size and many in number, numerous in number, and present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Prokaryotes mostly have double absence of double membrane bonded structures, and eukaryotes have double membrane bonded structures, organelles like mitochondria and Golgi bodies. But the ribosomes have single membrane, and they are present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Discovered by the Palade. Palade is a name of scientist. He discovered the ribosomes in 1955. Location, they exist in the two forms. They either freely disperse in the cytoplasm, in a granular form, or they are get attached with the rough endoplasm reticulum. The rough endoplasm reticulum is present outside the nucleus. Structure and composition, they consist of equal amount of RNA. It's very important, equal amount of RNA and प्रोटीन. राइबोसोम्स के अंदर RNA और प्रोटीन की जो अमाउंट है वो इक्वल होगी, 50% RNA 50% प्रोटीन. दैट्स वाई दे आर नोन एज राइबोन्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs एंड शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. They are consist of equal amount of RNA and equal amount of protein, hence named as a ribonucleoprotein. Consist of two subunits. When we are talk about the structure of ribosomes, they consist of two subunits, larger subunits and the smaller subunits, and larger and smaller subunits are get attached with the help of magnesium, and it's a one unit of ribosome. Smaller and larger subunit combine to make a one ribosome. Okay. In eukaryotes, the largest subunit is a 60S and the smaller subunit is 40S. S is used for the unit name as a Schwarzschild unit, used for the centrifugation. And what is a 60S and 40S? When you centrifuge the organelle of the cell to check out the density of that organelle, like न्यूक्लियस की डेंसिटी चेक करनी है, राइबोसोम की डेंसिटी चेक करनी है हमें, या गोल्जी बॉडीज़, एंडोप्लाज्म रेटिकुलम और राइबोसोम्स, डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनेले को हमने सेटल डाउन करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर डेंसिटी. अगर आप पूरे एक सेल को लेते हैं और उसको हम एक सेंट्रीफ्यूज मशीन के अंदर विद द हेल्प ऑफ रोटेटर आप रोटेट करवाते हो एक टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर, तो दे आर सेटल डाउन विद द रेफरेंस टू देयर डेंसिटीज़. 60S density is like they settle down at 60 point, and 40S settle down at the 40 point. ठीक है. Get attached with the help of magnesium ion. 60S and 40S are attached with the help of magnesium ions and combine together to make ATS. Here is the question, why 60S and 40S are combined to make the ATS? 100S क्यों नहीं बन रहा? बिकॉज ऑफ अटैचमेंट ऑफ मैग्नीशियम आइंस की वजह से, कुछ अटैचमेंट की वजह से इनके दरमियान में कुछ डेंसिटी जो है वो ATS पे आके सेटल डाउन होती है. ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑफ मैग्नीशियम आइन. सो स्ट्रक्चर एंड कॉम्पोजिशन, प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में जो लार्जर सब यूनिट है वो 50S होगा एंड स्मॉलर सब यूनिट 30S है. लाइक इन यूक्रियोट्स, इसमें भी मैग्नीशियम आइंस की वजह से ये जो फाइनल हमारे पास कोलेक्टिवली बनेगा वो 70S बनेगा. 50S एंड 30S combine together to make 70S with the help of magnesium ions again. ठीक है. Functions, they are attached with the messenger RNA and they form formation of protein. They are help in the formation of. What is a polysome? A group of ribosomes attached to the messenger RNA is known as a polysome. Important MCQs and short questions from today's lecture. Ribosomes are the particles of riboglycoprotein, riboglycolipids, and ribonucleoprotein or riboglucose. The right answer is ribonucleoprotein. Second MCQs, eukaryotic ribosomes when joined, they form alpha S 100S particle, 70S particle, 80S particle or 100S particle. The right answer is 80S particle in case of eukaryotes or 70S particles in case of prokaryotes. 3. A group of ribosomes attached to messenger RNA is known as lysosome, polysome, glycosomes or peroxisomes. The right answer is a polysome. Fifth, 4 MCQs. Attachment of two subunits of ribosomes is controlled by which ion? Magnesium, iron, calcium, or sodium? The right answer is a magnesium ions. Two short questions here. Define polysome. Polysome is a group of ribosomes attached to the single messenger RNA is known as a polysome. Second question, why ribosomes known as a ribonucleoprotein particles? They are called so because they are made up of equal amount of RNA and प्रोटीन. सो प्रोटीन एंड आरएनए की इक्वल अमाउंट जो है वो राइबोसोम्स को बनाती है. सो दे आर नोन एज राइबो न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन पार्टिकल्स.